to mine. What happened to my live? I can't see anything. Yeah, what's wrong? Why you change your name, company? Long time no see. Oh my gosh. How you been? Yeah, I'm frozen. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Yeah, what happened? Yeah, you changed your name. Why I'm frozen? Yeah, I'm frozen. What's wrong? I don't know how to do now. Serious. Yeah, how are you? Company service. My goodness, where you been? How to do this? Gosh. Oh my god, my face is crazy in the front. Look at me. Hey, look at me. Oh my god, I saw my face. This looks like maybe you go turn off and then back on. If I turn off, I same. Now your live is just like that. Oh gosh. I don't know what's going on with this one. It's funny. Do I need to turn off and go back again? No. If I do cancel, I need to turn off. Only that's way I can. Because start pull. Oh, okay, yes. No, 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 no. Why it's frozen? Gosh. Do I need to turn off? Yeah. I cannot do anything this one. Only way I go to exit. This one is crazy. But I cannot see you. Yeah, I cannot also. I don't know what happened.